Good afternoon, good evening. Today I am going to discuss about advanced filter in MS Excel. You can see there is a table with the name, location, salary and age. So name, location, sales and age, like it's our sales team, and we need to see it, or we need to filter it into a different parameters. Okay, so we need to use advanced filter. That is the tab which we are using for advanced filter. On the first step, we have to select the data range. Then we need to give the criteria, and then if the same destination, we need to paste the filtered data, or it is copied to another location. So there are three criteria in total. The first, you need to filter the list. Second, give criteria, and third, if you want to copy into another, like if you want to filter the same table, you don't need to press this one. You don't need to press this one. Copy to another location. And then there is another unique record only. If there is a repetition, so there will be a unique record. We will do these exercises, and then you will be able to understand it completely. Now our first task is to filter by these two employees named Kamran and Akhtar. So let's start. This is the table. I click here. I go to the data. Under data there is data advanced. Now the list range already selected. Criteria, I need to click here and I will come this criteria. Kamran and Akhtar. I need the location, sales and age of only Kamran and Akhtar, and this, if I want to copy it to another location, copy to another location, and then I need to give the copy location. So I give this location. Okay, and then I need to click OK. So if I don't select copy to another location, this table will get filtered. But now I have given another location. You can see Kamran and Akhtar. Now there are two people whose first name, their first name start from Akhtar. That's why they filter both two. This is the first exercise. Now the second exercise is select all record with the name starting from Y and A. So I put Y star and A star. Same criteria. I go there, advanced filter, select. Now the second step, criteria. This time the criteria is different. Name which starts from Y and A, and now the location, I want to copy it here, and then enter, then OK. Now see, those their name starts from A, Aliya, Saad, Yasir, Yusuf, Ahmad, Akhtar, Maqbool. All the names which starts from A or Y will get filtered. Now the third criteria is I want only those whose age are greater than 35 and less than 40. This is the third exercise. In the third exercise, same thing, we go on, go there, select. Criteria is now changed. This is the criteria, age more than 35 and less than 40. Copy to another location. I don't want to filter, disturb the existing table. Copy here, anywhere into another sheet also you can do it, and click OK. Now see, all the staff age is greater than 35 and less than 40 get filtered. 38 and less than 40, great. All the staff, now there are multiple filtered. The first is those who names start from A or M, and salary, if it starts from A, must be greater than 20,000, and if it starts from M, less than 10,000. Now there are multiple filter. I come here, again select it. Now the criteria is a different criteria. Just need to write it. Okay. like this. Okay. This is my criteria. Hmm. Copy to another location. The location is right now in this, and then okay. Now see, all if it starts from A must be salary more than 22,000. See, if M less than 10,000. See, it's a multiple filter. So you just whatever you need to filter, you need to write it. If it start in the if you talk about the text, A M starts from this, you need to put a star sign, and if the you need to play in the numeric like sales value or age, you need to put here. Then the whole table will be filtered as per your requirement, and then finally you can hide this one if you want. Now there is another criteria. I want those whose first name starts from A, okay, and second name starts from M. Let's do that as well. Select this one, advanced, come to the criteria. uh, yeah, this is the criteria only. Copy to another location, this, and then okay. Name is the first name start from A and the second name start from M. Akhtar Maqbool, first name A, M and K, Muhammad Qasim. So even if you know a little information, you can get those data filtered. Now again, advanced criteria and location for these two cities, and sales must be greater than 10,000. Copy, copy, and paste it to another location. No problem at all. Okay, excuse me. These are two cities, Karachi and Multan sale, and sales must be more than 10,000. The criteria has been fulfilled. Okay, now this one another challenge. Age, those age whose age are greater than average age. The average age of this is 35. See, I have completed this so that you can understand. Now I want those whose age are more than average age. Advanced criteria. This is the age criteria. In the formula it's written like this, and this formula is written in this cell. Okay, I will show you after this. Copy here, here. Okay, now those whose age are greater than 35, because an average age is 35, are listed here. In this cell I put this formula E8. E8 is the average age. E8, sorry, must be greater than average age. Okay, so E8 is the column cell, this one. So the age must be greater than average age. Average age must be, those whose age are greater than average age 35 will be filtered. Now the last is sales and location criteria. Less than or greater than Lahore for the sales. C10, why we have taken C10? Because C is the location column. Okay, and the other is D10. D10 is less than Akhtar Maqbool. Akhtar Maqbool is our employee, and our range column 3 we need false. If you know look up, you can easily understand. So very easy. Our task is to all record which is less than Akhtar Maqbool, and the location should not be Lahore. So the sales must be less than Akhtar Maqbool. What we have taken? D10. Akhtar Maqbool's sales we have taken, and we say it must be less than Akhtar Maqbool. So Akhtar Maqbool's sale is here in D10. Akhtar Maqbool, mhm, and it must be like less than Akhtar Maqbool, greater than Akhtar Maqbool sale. Okay. Here is, it must be greater than 18,000 and the city should not be Lahore. Let's do it this criteria again, I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Sales criteria and location criteria. Sales criteria D10, less than, it should be less than, then look up Akhtar Maqbool, look up Akhtar Maqbool in the range. Column 3 is the sales of Akhtar Maqbool and it should be less than Akhtar Maqbool sale. Like it should be less than Akhtar Maqbool sale is 18,000, should be, and the area should not be Lahore. The city should not be Lahore. Let's do it, copy here, and then okay. See the result. Akhtar Maqbool sales is 18,000, all figure are less than 18,000 and the location is not Lahore. So we select D. D column represent the sales. Okay, this is the D column. Should be less than, then look up to Akhtar Maqbool. If you have any question, you can write comments. I will answer you and I will share this sheet as well. Those who comments, like and subscribe. Any query, I will definitely reply. And for Multan, because the city is C, so the criteria has based on C10, not equal to Lahore. Now there are other tasks as well. All record for the Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad, these three cities. Very easy, no problem at all. Now you will become master. Advanced criteria. It's better to make the criteria in a table form. Very easy. You just need to do it like this. I will do it in by using the macros as well. If you have a repetition work, you can use the macros. So in the coming classes, you will see the link up of all these filtered and everything which I have published. You will see the link with inshallah with the this one macros, either recording or typing codes. See, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, all recordings are here. Now again, there is another criteria uh, for the sales, because D column is for the sales, right? Our task is select record with top 5 sales. So it's written already here, the criteria is written already here. Top 5, so large top 5, this formula just need to copy here. Okay, now it's true. So sales is greater than or equal to large and top 5. Range of the sales D8 to D24 and then 5. See D8 to D24. D8 D24. Advanced. I put the criteria in order to so you can understand. Sales criteria. This, copy to another location. This, and copy to here. Okay. Top 5 sales 25, 22, 24. And the last is the criteria for sales, and for E it's the average sales, average age, sorry. E for average age and D column for the sales. So these two criteria is the last task. I just need to put this one, the sales criteria, into the sales column, true, and the average age criteria, which is less than average age to age criteria, now false. And then come, these are the multiple, come here, advanced filter range, come down, the criteria is right now this, copy to another location, and then press OK. So this is advanced filter for you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Any query, anything, you can just ask in the comment section below, and please subscribe and like, so that I can, it encourage me to make other queries, other videos for based on Excel, MS Power BI, and the professional tips for Tableau as well. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.